Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to make your WhatsApp profile photo visible only to your contacts. This is a great way to enhance your privacy while staying connected with the people you care about. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Once you're on the main screen, look towards the top right corner. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Tap on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various aspects of your WhatsApp account. Next, tap on Privacy. This is where all your privacy-related settings are located, including controls for your profile photo, status updates, and more. Now, find and tap on the option labeled Profile Photo. This setting determines who can see your profile picture. You'll be presented with several options: Everyone, My Contacts Except, and Nobody. To ensure only your saved contacts can view your profile photo, select My Contacts. This will restrict access to people already saved in your phone's address book. And that's it. Your profile photo is now visible only to those in your contact list. If you ever want to make further adjustments, such as excluding specific contacts or hiding your photo entirely, you can revisit these settings and choose a different option. By following these steps, you've taken control of who can see your profile picture on WhatsApp, adding an extra layer of privacy to your account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips.